Hi everyone, this is Mary Moen, your instructor for LSC527 Digital Information Literacy Instruction. So this short video is just going to show you how to navigate the Brightspace course that I've developed. You will find a link in our class for other videos, how-to videos for students that were developed by Brightspace itself, so feel free to explore those as well. But for my course, when you log into Brightspace, you're going to see whatever courses that you're taking this semester listed. So you're going to click on LSC 527 Digital Information Literacy Instruction. And what's nice about this is they have a visual table of contents, visual TOC. And every course in GSLAS is going to be starting with a Start Here lesson. And I always divide my courses into weekly lessons. So you'll see week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4, week 5, and there's going to be 10 weeks to this course. So let's just take a quick look at the Start Here, what's there. And you can see how it's organized. These are called topics that you go through, and there's activities and things to do. So you're going to click on it, and it tells you some information, and when you're done with that, you're going to click the right arrow and go to the next activity, and you can scroll through. This is how it works for every week of something. So let's go back to the table of contents. I want to show you, so that was the Start Here activities that you have to complete right away, and then I'll show you how each week is set up by going to week 1. And again, here's the topics that you go through. And I always have a welcome and learning objectives for the lesson. I always have a little warm-up activity. I'll have the readings. And then to help you like practice and internalize the knowledge, there's always a couple activities every week that you need to do. And then finally, to close the lesson, there's a discussion topic. So that's it. Let's see, what else can I show you? So you'll have a this menu bar, this course bar. If you want to go straight to an assignment, you'll hit on assignments up here. If you want to go straight to the discussion, you can go there. You can check your grades here and anything else. So we're all learning this new learning management system together. So I expect questions, and I may not have everything right. So I really hope that you can let me know if something doesn't make sense, and we'll learn and get through this together. So I look forward to having you in my class. Thanks.